Are you looking for a quick and easy way to pamper your skin? Let's dive into the world of homemade sugar scrubs, a fantastic way to exfoliate and moisturize your skin using natural ingredients. Start by gathering your materials. You'll need sugar, white or brown, coconut oil or olive oil, essential oils, optional, and a mixing bowl. Begin by measuring out 1 cup of sugar and a half cup of coconut oil. Accuracy is key, so make sure to scoop and level the ingredients properly. Next, add the sugar and coconut oil to your mixing bowl and stir them together until they're well combined. If the mixture feels too dry or too oily, you can adjust it by adding more sugar or oil as needed. If you like, you can enhance your scrub with a few drops of essential oil, such as lavender or peppermint, for added fragrance and benefits. Stir to combine everything thoroughly. Transfer your sugar scrub to a clean, airtight container for storage. Don't forget to label the container with the date and ingredients to keep track of freshness. When you're ready to use your scrub, simply apply it to your skin in gentle, circular motions, exfoliating all those dead skin cells away. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Admire your smooth, glowing skin and feel the difference. This homemade sugar scrub is as easy to make as it is effective, offering a luxurious self-care experience without the high cost or complicated process.